We can use the background attribute to apply a background image to a table. For the purpose of this example, this is the image that we'll be using as the background. The image is called tablebg.jpg, and it can be found in your downloads folder. Make sure you place the image in the same folder as your HTML file so we can use a relative file path. Now apply the background attribute to the table element and set it equal to the image. Now save the file and refresh. You can see that this image has now been applied as the background to the table. We can also apply the background attribute to just the table rows, and similarly to just the table columns as well.